After the unrest in the whole crypto market in 2022, financial backers saw some beam of trust at long last in 2023. AMP has been one of those coins which enlisted enormous recuperation. Be that as it may, the recuperation couldn't support longer, and the cost again begun to address. All in all, is the AMP token dead? No, AMP is a decent crypto. Gave you put resources into it with perfect timing for the long term. Let's look at some fast AMP crypto expectations before we head into specialized examination and market feelings. AMP Value Expectation 2023. In view of our AMP cost forecast for the year 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around $0 separately. AMP Value Expectation 2025. As per our AMP crypto cost forecast, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the possible low of $0, the greatest degree of 1 cent. AMP Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our AMP cost gauge demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be 3 cents, with a likely low of 2 cents in the crypto market. What is AMP crypto? The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization through and through, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a definite AMP value forecast referenced here. A definitive target of this token is unequivocally something similar to Insure exchanges and inborn information, making them more moment and secure. Based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC-20 standard for tokens, AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other advanced money. What makes AMP exceptional? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure any type of significant worth trade, be it advanced installments, government-issued money trade, credit dispersions, property deals, and then some. A devoted class of specialists and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus, a thought that changed into a progressive ERC-20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and comparable innovations. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a powerful and high data transmission public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching fake or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as guarantee for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and comparable advances. Subsequently, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out savvy contracts and moving assets. Going by the specialized investigation, AMP's cost has had a memorable journey since its send-off, which could be the fundamental justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0, with a market cap of $131,516,590. The 24-hour exchanging volume of AMP coins remains at $5,150,227, with a circling supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of authentic information, the coin began its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging respectively till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded a record-breaking high of 12 cents. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop. In 2022, things turned more unfortunate for AMP as the cost consistently exchanged the downtrend. Toward the start of 2023, the token had denoted a good recuperation. Yet, things have again flipped around for the crypto as it exchanges around $0. The exchanging volume has additionally radically fallen by 41.86%. In light of long conjectures AMP forecasts, the AMP cost may be around $0 long-term in, while the most extreme cost for the year 2025 might be around $0. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0 2025. The AMP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of $0 through 2025. Through latest things, financial backer opinion, and the general bearing of the AMP cryptographic money market capitalization, computerized coin values specialists think AMP has a long-haul procuring potential and a decent possibility visiting the 1 cent in 2025 as long as the pattern proceeds, and this will make it a wise venture. There is no certain shot digital money gauge for any of the current crypto coins. Taking into account the verifiable information in cryptographic money markets, AMP is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and dealers' local area. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP, its security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized insurance token that offers irrefutable confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. A further impact on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in view of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and security token financial backers in the long haul. AMP value forecast 2023. As per our AMP crypto expectation, the cost is supposed to hit a high of $0, making it a wise venture. Simultaneously, the base cost for the year 2023 is assessed to be $0, with a typical worth of $0. AMP crypto value expectation 2024. In the year 2024, our AMP coin cost forecast proposes that the worth might hit a normal of $0. Taking into account the AMP cost investigation, it can possibly arrive at a limit of $0, while the base cost might be $0. AMP crypto value expectation 2025. The AMP coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $0.01 separately, according to our AMP coin cost forecast 2025. Interestingly, the typical cost may be $0, with a rate change of around 261%. AMP gauge 2026. According to our AMP cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent, with a base and most extreme cost of $0.01 individually. For the year 2026, the unpredictability of the crypto cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost expectation. AMP forecast 2027. Taking a gander at the AMP token value expectation and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth might be around 1 cent. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise proposes that the base and normal qualities might be 1 cent and 1 cent. AMP value expectations 2028. Our cost estimates for AMP digital money demonstrate that the most extreme cost expected for the year is 2 cents, with a base worth of 1 cent. Simultaneously, merchants can expect a typical cost of 1 cent. The rate change for the year is estimated to be 500 contrasted with the current price percent. AMP value gauge 2029. Beginning in 2029, AMP ought to show extraordinary potential, and the determined least cost could be around the 1 cent mark. As per our figure, the symbolic will ascend to a greatest cost of 2 cents toward the finish of 2029 with a typical cost of 2 cents. AMP value expectation 2030. By 2030, the AMP token will have a most extreme cost of 3 cents with a base cost of 2 cents all year long. Simultaneously, the AMP crypto may exchange at a normal of 2 cents in 2030 in view of our AMP gauge. Is AMP crypto a wise venture? Indeed, AMP is a wise venture whenever contributed at the right incentive as long as possible. The token is supposed to exchange at a limit of around 3 cents by 2030. Individuals really do have this misguided judgment, as AMP digital forms of money are inclined to instability and furthermore have high gamble. It is a similar case, however, with other government-issued types of money too. Notwithstanding, AMP has endured for the long haul. There is a harmony of market interest, and AMP has ended up being steady. Is AMP safe? Indeed, for sure. It is exceptionally improbable that AMP will get hacked, primarily on the grounds that it is